Alright guys, today while I have time, and before the video, my storage runs out, I'm going to do a siren test on my little air raid siren here. Typical air raid siren, I know a lot of people have these little air raid sirens. I'm actually thinking about getting a rotator box for it. Kind of nice. My wires on mine are kind of broke, but I'm going to see what we can do with this. And if you see the dog jumping around, he's really excited because we just got home. So, yeah, we're going to test this. I'll do a couple different tones if I can. First will be alert, attack, growl, wail, and I don't know if I can do like really a fast wail, but I'll see what I can do out of that. So, we have our power supply over here, and we're just going to bring this out. It's actually kind of heavy. This is made for a car, but today it's going to be made for a siren test. Guess the wind really likes coming out of the east, which is that way, and blowing all the leaves in the garage. So, it's really, really cold outside. I went siren hunting today, and it was extremely cold out. So, but when I go siren hunting, I never feel cold outside. I don't know why, but I guess it's because I'm excited. And so, hopefully the neighbors don't mind, because they really shouldn't, I wouldn't think. And hopefully when I start this up, then it should be fine. It's not going to sound because I don't have it hooked up. Right. Let's plug it in. Kidding. I think that just scared the dog. Alright. God, there's a lot of leaves in here. And my battery's at 20%. Better hurry. I haven't charged this in 2 hours. God, there's a lot of leaves in here. Jesus Christ. Alright. Which one's which? Red one's red one, black one's black one. I cannot show. Hold on. The wires are really fidgety, so. Okay, please tell me this will not turn on when I do this, but. And something just made a curious sound out there. Hopefully it wasn't my siren, because that thing's already had enough problems. Okay, it should be touching. Hopefully. Don't fail on me tonight. Oh, crap. I'm sorry, guys. I'm making this a bad video, but this really sucks right now. Is the 10 beat going off in Augusta right now? What the? What's the sound? Alright, let's see if we can do a growl. Oh, yep. The only thing that just cannot happen is these two can't touch. So as long as that doesn't happen, we're doing good. Because if it does, we'll have sparking issues. So first will be alert. I'm probably going to have to like hold this so it won't, because this didn't really vibrate. So here comes alert. I'm not sure how many, did not mean to do that. But I'm not sure how many seconds it's just going to be really quick. So here we go. That was extremely loud. I'm not so sure if I'm going to be able to get to all of them, because now my battery's at 10%, but we'll do a quick attack. Alright, a growl. And a wail. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to also follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. Huge shout out to Wisconsin, or Jacob, preferably known as Wisconsin Sirens and Signals, in case you don't know his name. Huge shout out to him. Thank you for supporting my channel. So just wanted to say thank you for supporting my channel. I love your support. Your channel's awesome. Stuff like that. Crap. That's not gonna last the night. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow's project. So thank you for supporting my channel, Scott Siren Signals. Thank you to all other people out there supporting my channel. If you're looking for his channels, his YouTube channels, Wisconsin Sirens and Signals, his Twitter account, he doesn't do much on there, I think, but it's Jacob. Not sure how I think it's like Garba or something like that. I'm sorry if I pronounced your last name wrong. Super sorry. But anyways, it's something like that. And on Instagram, you can also follow him at Wisconsin Sirens and Signals. Or JMAN Wisconsin Sirens and Signals. You'll find it, trust me. He posts a lot of sirens, stuff like that, so just like me. So, hopefully, you guys are having a wonderful day, evening, whatever time it is, and hope you enjoyed. See you guys later.